Hey, this is not your mama's hair removal cream. The company sent this to me so that I could show you how to use it, how to use the tool, and we're gonna go beginning to end, and I'm gonna give you some tips along the way. So let's get started. So it is a cream, obviously, and I am just going to put it on the little spatula that it comes with. See how it's got the different curves? And the reason, the reason for that is because you can do different areas of your body. And so this, this tool helps with that. You could do your face, you could do your bikini line, you could do obviously under your arms like I'm doing right now, legs, your face, did I say that? So yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to leave this on for 5 to 10 minutes. And then we will wipe it off. And there is a special way to do that actually. And as it dries, okay, here's the big thing. I can barely smell it. And have you used other creams like this where it just stinks to high heaven? I can barely smell this. I don't smell it at all. I said barely, but no, I don't smell it at all. So we are going to let 5 minutes go by, somewhere between 5 and 10. And then we're going to use the tool again, and I'll show you what we're gonna do. Okay, 5 minutes later. Now I'm gonna take the tool and I'm going to scrape. Now you can use whichever edge is most comfortable for the body part that you're using. Another thing that you can do is use a razor and go against the grain of the hair, if it was there, and use a razor to do that as well. I would not exfoliate under my arms, but you could exfoliate your legs, even your face, and then use that. And then, like I said, use the scraper or use a razor to go against the grain, and that stretches out the time in between that you need to do this. So those are your tips, and you might want to just, put some maybe moisturizing lotion on the area that after you've done it, but this actually is kind of moisturizing in and of itself. So good luck to you. I recommend this. I will not go back. This is what I'm going to use going forward. Tell me about your experiences with hair removal cream. I'd love to hear about it. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing.